Welcome dear students. Today I have come with a very interesting problem. The problem is find the square root of 500 into 501 into 502 into 503 plus 1. This problem can be solved easily by using calculator, but here instead of calculator we are going to use algebra. So how can this be done? So what is the strategy going to be? First of all, let x is equal to 500. So when I suppose 500 is equal to x, then this 500 becomes x, this 501 becomes x plus 1, this 502 becomes x plus 2, this 503 becomes x plus 3, and 1 becomes as it is. So this whole term will reduce to something like this. Now clearly you can see, in a panic you may start multiplying these expressions haphazardly. So if you start multiplying these expressions haphazardly, then it becomes a really difficult problem. So we have to select our multiplication wisely. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to multiply this x plus 1 and x plus 2. So when we multiply this x plus 1 and x plus 2, it becomes something like this: x into x, x square, and we have 3x and plus 2. So this is the expression we obtain by multiplying x plus 1 and x plus 2. All the terms are as it is. Now in the second expression, what can we do? We can multiply this x with this x plus 3. So x into x will become x square, x into 3 will become 3x. So our new term will be something like this: x square plus 3x, x square plus 3x plus 2 plus 1. Now what can be done? Now we can write this 2 as 1 plus 1. So if I write this 2 as 1 plus 1, then this x square plus 3x and x square plus 3x plus 1, these two terms can be multiplied. This x square plus 3x can be multiplied with this 1. We will have x square plus 3x, and once I add this plus 1, then my whole expression will be something like this: x square plus 3x, x square plus 3x plus 1 plus, now this x square plus 3x is multiplying this 1, so it is x square plus 3x, but this 1 is extra, so that 1 we have added here. We can see here, I can take common x square plus 3x plus 1, and it will be x square plus 3x plus 1. So before I go to this slide, I would like to go further into the previous slide. Now here you can see, here we have x square plus 3x plus 1, and here also we have x square plus 3x plus 1. So if I take x square plus 3x plus 1 common, I will have here x square plus 3x, and here I will have 1. So I will have x square plus 3x plus 1 bracket x square plus 3x plus 1. So clearly we can write x square plus 3x plus 1 whole square. It means x square plus 3x plus 1 is a perfect square. So now what can I do? Since in the starting a problem I have supposed 500 is equal to x, so if I substitute the value of x is equal to 500 in the above expression, then my answer will be 251501. So by the help of algebra, easily we can solve this problem. Initially this problem seemed to be a little bit difficult, but once we use algebra and if we do multiplications and arranging the term in a proper way, we can easily come to the solution. I hope you like this solution. For further interesting problems like this, I request you to subscribe my channel. Thank you my dear students.